proper way to clean the panel. Spray your cleaner on the panel first, one rag to immediately wipe it, and then come right behind that with a dry rag to dry it. That way, when you're wiping the chemicals, you're not just smearing it and smearing the dirt back into the panel. You're coming back with a clean rag and wiping it right back off. So, spray a nice amount on the door. Come in with one rag, wipe, and come back with the clean one and dry. Another reason for doing this, depending on which paint system you're using, the waterborne cleaner could leave a dry film on the panel that you can't see that your paint will react to. For instance, when I sprayed Sikkens, if I didn't dry it off with the dry towel and I just did it with the one, it would dry by itself on the panel and you couldn't see it, but when I would spray my base coat, it would kind of blister up and bubble around where you could see the streaks were. So this kind of helps you defeat that.